So today is a busy day. And I say busy loosely. I mean, how busy can you get during a coronavirus lockdown? Now, I'm aware this is a golf channel, but at the minute it's really difficult to do anything golf related because of the situation that's going on out there. So I'm kind of just vlogging my life at the minute. And today I've got a few little jobs to do. And I'm also going to slow cook some pork on the barbecue for about 6 hours. So let's go and prep the pork. First things first, I need to go to the shop and get some supplies. Need some apple juice for the bottom tray. So I can only apologise at the minute that there's no golf related stuff on my channel, and it pretty much is me just doing random vlogs. So if you're not interested in them, just don't click them, but please stick with me until the golf can come back. We do have lots of exciting things to do coming up in the year with Dan, so stick with us. But just ignore these videos for the time being if you're not into what I get up to on a daily basis, or smoked slow roasted pork on a barbecue, or flying a drone or whatever. So just stick with me, but it is what it is at the minute. So off to the shop. I didn't have any apple juice, so I had to get the next best thing. Cider. Right then, first thing I do is just trim off some of this fat on the underside. Okay, then just with the knife make some holes in the meat and shove some garlic cloves into the meat. Then honey. And just put some pepper, black pepper onto the top. And that's the meat prepped for the barbecue. So now we need to go and prep the barbecue. Right, so these little vents at the bottom allow heat to come in. So what we want to do is close them. So they only let a little bit of heating, so we don't want it too hot. Then get a full basket or chimney, these things are amazing, with charcoal, and just put it over the back. Put the whole thing over the back. And that should be enough for about 5 or 6 hours of slow cooking. Then in here, I just put about another 12, fill it with cardboard. And then that's it starting off. So once those are white, we put them on top of that, and that will start off the cooking or the heating of the coals. And then we put the wood chip on top and insert the pork. While we're waiting, put a tray in the bottom here, and then you just add in, you can add water, applesauce. I'm adding in cider, and this will just help flavour the pork. And just a little bit more, and it will also keep it moist as well. 9 o'clock, too early to drink? Oh god, so nice, so refreshing. Lovely jubbly. Right, so predominantly white, so we put them on top. And then we put this back on because it needs cleaning. So that back on, and then we just let it heat up so we can clean the grill. Okay, so the hickory chips are on, the apple cider or dark berry cider is in, so it's now time to smoke it. Right, so it's smoking nicely. The pork is on. Shut this up and get it up to temperature. We're looking for about 250 Fahrenheit. So that's settled around the 250, maybe a couple more degrees to go, so I'll open the vents up slightly. We can control the temperature. There's a vent here, and then underneath there's that control to control the vents underneath, and that helps the airflow go through to regulate the temperature. Right then, 2 hours in, take a look. Oh yes, look at that, lovely jubbly, lovely jubbly. Delivery time. Got a new tripod. That little thing, that's what we wanted. Yes, handheld, here we come. And we got a box. Oh yes, Panasonic GH5. New vlogging camera. Hello Dan.
What we got?
Well, I've got something to show you. Hold on.
Hang on. Ah!
Look at
That's
that.
right. Wow.
Yeah.
What's the is that the lens that came with it?
Yeah, it's an upgraded lens choice. It's a 12 to 60mm lens, but it's the body's got stabilisation and the lens has also got stabilisation as well.
Yep. And flip out screen?
Yeah, flip out screen, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Okay, what you're going to be doing today then?
Playing with that.
Yeah.
I know.
Mate, love it.
And you're being videoed as well, Dan.
You what?
And you're being videoed for the vlog.
I've got my lunch as well.
Let's go and see what this new camera's all about. There's the doggy. Hello. Hello. Let's have a look at this. Look at this pork. Oh, look at that. Looking good. Right then, I think the pork is done. Get it off here. I'll wrap it up for the last half an hour just to get the heat inside the middle. Let's unwrap it then, see what it looks like. Taste test? Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
That is love. What do you think there, babe?
Yeah, it's lovely.
So to end today's vlog, we've come for a bit of a walk in the forest. Difference being, I'm not knackered after a 2.5-3 kilometre run this time. But I have brought the drone with me, so I'm going to see if there's anywhere to just fly this drone around this little wooded area and see what's around.